Wow. Here we go, guys. Bam. The late adopter. Very late today. Hi guys, welcome to the Bitcoin daily video every day at 9:30 Central European time on the dollar. You know, always the same. First thing first, some things are more important in life than other things. So when your mom asks you to come and pick her up and drive her to the train station, you drop whatever you're doing, you go there and you pick her up and you drive her to the train station. So if you are in the middle of a ride in World of Warcraft, or you are doing a live stream or whatever, you just drop everything, go and pick your mom up and drive her to the train station. That said, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Doing good. 200 people in here. I'm guessing you are waiting for the good news. I'm guessing you are waiting for the good news. So, you know, it's not totally bullish on the longer time frames, but I think this can actually work out. I'm gonna show you some really nice. Do you have trains in Norway? We got some trains, man. We got some trains. I'm gonna show you some things that are actually quite nice. Before we start on that, today is the first day. That we actually launched on Patreon. We launched technical analysis crash course. So you have interested in learning tech analysis the way I do it, you know, you wanna figure this thing out, you can now join, because people have been asking, you know, for the course and when it's gonna pop out. So now it's out, if you see here, there are 8 lessons right now there. The next 4 are coming within next weeks, and then the rest of it, you know, it will come, you know, from time to time. I'll just pop something up. So we got that going on as well right now. That said, now we can get in the charts and see what's actually happening. By the way, guys, everybody doing good? I speak to you on Twitter because I need to sponsor on your YouTube channel. If you accept, reply me on Twitter, please. Thank you. Fleek, I'll check my Twitter. Let me check my Twitter right now. Yeah, no, not right now. Maybe I can check Twitter right now, because I haven't been getting my messages on Twitter. That's the problem, you know. I still have no messages on the Twitter. People have been saying that they have been sending me things on Twitter and I'm not getting anything. So Flex, I'm not getting anything on Twitter. I don't know why. Because I need a sponsor on your YouTube channel. If you accept, thank you. Good morning, the late adopted mother. Fleck, yeah, I'm not quite sure what's happening there. So, you know, you can also go to the Telegram channel and check it out there. And contact me there as well. But I'm not quite sure why I'm not getting any messages on, you know, people have been saying that they're sending me messages on Twitter, but I'm not getting anything. Like, my inbox is empty right now. Send a message, get a message, direct message, private cruiser between you and other people on Twitter, share them. I've got no messages. Short-term bearish, long-term bullish, bearish until next drop. That is what will happen. I am actually short-term bullish, long-term, you know, I don't want to say the B word. Anyways, let's see what's actually happening here. So, CoinSkid, brother. CoinSkid. Guys, we got a CoinSkid in the chat. So say hello to the CoinSkid. That guy is awesome. That guy is the most bullish thing, most positive thing. It's the sunshine in all of the bearishness in the market right now. So, you know, we love CoinSkid, man. That guy is awesome. So, you know, when everybody is saying, no, guys, we you know, this is finished, he's like, no, 200k. So, you know, that's that. Okay, so we're gonna start by seeing what's actually happening here. First thing first, we're gonna see that on the daily close, that's no, that's over here. You can see it's very bad daily close. It's not very eventful daily close, but the daily close over here yesterday was it's okayish, because what we are having is a low and then we are having a higher low, so that's kind of bullish, but it's not you know, it's not it's not optimal. You know, optimal would be up here. You can see here, and you know, we had the rejection of the 20 moving average, but the fact that we didn't drop lower down here, it's a good thing. So technically, this is actually a very good thing, right? That's happening right now, that we are having low and higher low, and this is actually on the same. So we got some kind of ascending channel going over here, so you know this can continue for a while now as well. This can continue for now a while now. The candle itself is not the most bullish candle you can have, but you know, it's something. We take whatever it gets on the daily candles. Yesterday's daily candle is pretty fine. It's pretty fine. We're gonna go to the weekly and see what's happening on the weekly chart, and this is second green candle in a row, which is actually quite good. It's fine. They're not very bullish candles. They are quite bearish indeed, but the fact that there are two in you know, that there are two green candles in a row, it's quite fine. Also, we didn't break any kind of big supports down here. This is the 32k support. This is the 28k support. We broke none of that thing. We are still all above you know, decent supports on the weekly chart, so no problem there. And you know my target. My target was around 49,000. Right now my target should be set at 46,000 because we have the white line, the 10 moving average is coming down. So my target is wherever the 10 moving average on the weekly are, because I think we have to pop a little bit back up, you know, and hit some kind of targets before we actually if we are gonna continue going down. So some kind of rally to the upside needs to come, and I think maybe right now we are getting ready to actually get that move to the upside. So we're gonna see what's actually happening there. But you know, two green candles in a row is always a welcome thing on the weekly chart. Daily, as we said, we are having an uneventful daily candle over here. It's not actually happening much with it. The good thing is you can see this how this moving averages is curving right now, and the price is just following the moving averages. So I'm expecting some kind of drop or pump right over here soon. That's because I've seen these kind of patterns before. And if you zoom it, do it like this over here, you'll see here that the price is actually hugging the moving averages, and right now I'm expecting this to actually drop down. It's not actually drop down, it's going up, right? But I switched the direction of the chart. So you see how we are going, and we are hugging the line on the side. So this doesn't go like this and then pops back up. It usually does this and pops back down. So I'm looking to pop down back to some kind of 50 moving average or something like that, 46,000 level. And this is daily chart. So I'm not quite sure how long it's gonna take, but I'm seeing a move to the, you know, move to the upside over here up to some kind of 46 levels. You can also see the 50 moving average is also corresponding right now the 10 moving average on the weekly chart, and that's very good. So this target is pretty in the books right now, 46,863 or something like that, give or take. It is not a target, 46,800. But I want to show you where all of this bullishness is actually coming from, and it's coming from, first we got to zoom back in to get my lines back. It's coming from the daily hourly chart. Now on the hourly chart, we can remove these lines down here because they were from yesterday. We can remove this one as well. Okay, so basically, let me quickly explain what's going on here. There is this triangle that we are going in. Depending on how you draw the triangle, there are two lines down here, you know. But I'm using both lines as a support, so you know, just so we have a little bit more room to go. But there was this very nice falling triangle, falling wedge going on here, right? Falling wedge, and right now we are out of the falling wedge on one hourly chart. Technically we are out of the falling wedge, which is actually quite a good thing. You can see here this big pump over here right now getting a retest. So I'm thinking, since we have been using entire Sunday to try to break this level down here and we couldn't break it, you can see here we couldn't break it. What I'm thinking now is gonna happen, we pumped up above this support resistance line, we're testing as support. I'm thinking we are gonna go all the way up here, and I think we might actually break the triangle to the upside and continue going up. So this is an assumption, but it's a pretty decent assumption. Now on the day, just by looking at the daily on the daily chart and the moving averages, you wouldn't be thinking that because you are like below all the moving averages, but the price is hugging the moving averages on the daily, and that's actually a very good thing. That's a very good thing. So let's go into the 4 hourly chart and see what's happening in 4 hourly chart. and on the 4-hour moving averages we are again getting rejected by the 20 moving average, but you know, we are trying to climb, so we're gonna see how this actually works out, if we can climb. I would be calling it bullish as soon as we get above this level up here, 36 or something like 37,000. Let's put it around 37,000, let's say 37,000, something like that. Just have a nice round psychological number. If I can only do it like, there we go, 37,000. If we can get above 37,000, I'm gonna be super bullish right now on the 4-hourly time frame. That's it, on the 4-hour time frame. That's actually a level that actually gonna make me super bullish right now. If you can get above 37,000 and keep above certain, because what happens then is you are above all of these moving averages, 10, 20, 50, 100 moving average. You're above all moving averages, and you can actually pump towards the upside. So that might actually be a very nice thing to happen if you can, you know, if you can get above 37,000. So we're gonna see that, but it is the 1-hourly time frame that they're actually telling me right now that this might actually work out. Now of course, you always have to take into consideration that this might actually fall back into the wedge and fall below the wedge and everything like that, but probability, the way I see it, is bigger towards the upside than it actually is to the downside. We can fall down, but I think probability right now is a bit it's bigger to the upside than to the downside, especially since we are over the Sunday. We didn't dump on Sunday. Right now it's Monday, it's a new week. We are still you know, going kind of sideways. We are going even closer into this apex of the triangle. Something has to happen soon, and if you're gonna fall down, it has to be pretty soon, because there is just not enough room to go sideways. So if we can get above 37,000, I'm gonna be super bullish right now. I'm very optimistic, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But you know, always be careful if we start breaking these lines on the downside. I was actually thinking that this might actually go all the way down and then pop up again. Luckily for us, we did get the 2 hits down here on the last support line that I've drawn here, down here, and we held that like you know what, and then bounced right back out of it. So I'm thinking some kind of move to the upside will actually come pretty soon, and that's what I got for you today. I think today, and you know, I'm not quite sure if this is gonna go sideways and then continue up, or just gonna start pumping up, but I'm more bullish to the upside than to the downside. That said, how you guys doing? Koinski said, check the 3D MACD TLR. I have no clue what 3D MACD. Oh yeah, 3-day MACD. Sorry, 3D MACD. Yeah, we can check the 3 days MACD. Let's see, MACD, 3-day MACD. Yeah, 3-day MACD is converging right now, so it's actually looking good. Yeah, but it has been converging before. This convergence is converging, so it goes from diverging lines to the converging lines over here. So we might have hit some kind of bottom down here right now, just by looking at the MACD. Just by looking at the MACD right now, we might hit some kind of bottom, but this isn't over yet. The way I see it, it might indicate some kind of bottom right now, because these are expanding. But like I said, we have to go up. Even on the 3-day, we are extended from the 20 moving average, and 20 moving average is all the way up here at what's that? 48,000, so give or take. So we might actually jump back up to the 20 and 50 moving average and then continue going up. That's what I'm saying. MACD on the 3-day is actually looking fine, no problem over there. On the daily MACD, we actually got the bullish cross over here. It looks like it's gonna converge to the downside, and right now we are getting this divergence on the lines again. So that's a good thing as well. It looks to me that it's gonna pop any moment now over the moving averages. As soon as we get above the 20 moving average, you gotta be bullish. If you get above the 37,000 line over here, because you remember 37,000 line on the 1 hourly, right? You see 37,000 line is where the 20 moving average is on the daily. If we can get above the 37,000 right now, above the 20 moving average on the daily, all the moving averages on the 1 hourly and 4 hourly, That was 4 hourly. It's super bullish, super bullish. So all we have to do right now is get above the 37,000 and we're good to go all the way up to the like 46,000, something like that. Then when we get there, we're gonna reassess our technical analysis and see what's actually happening there. I'm just sleeping my days away waiting for my coins to go up. Yeah, that's a strategy. That's a strategy. No more 30 or even 20k. I won't say no more. Right now, it doesn't look that probable to me. It just doesn't look that probable. Like we can have, of course, a bigger dump. I'm saying again, nothing. This isn't finished yet. Until you're out of the. Until we are out of the triangle, you know, nothing is actually finished. So you know, don't take anything for granted. We have to get out of the triangle first, right? It's first on out of the triangle that we actually know what's gonna happen. But right now, the probability, the way I see it, my assessment, my understanding of technical analysis is that we are might have a pull to the upside. Because you have to understand, we went entire Sunday going sideways, not being able to drop down because everything, all the drops have been bought up. Sorry, I'm late. Did I miss anything? Nah, you good, you good. We're just starting. Got everything in stablecoin, just waiting for one more dump. Personally, yeah, a lot of people are doing that, but you know, a lot of people, there have been a lot of talk about 20,000, 25, 28,000, 30k hit, you know, last drop. Everybody have been going into the stablecoins. So what's gonna happen now? What's usually happen? The price starts to rally up, and all of these people that are right now in stablecoins are gonna start FOMOing in when they see that the price is not falling down, and when they FOMO in, the price is gonna turn down and then go down to 20,000. So you know, that might happen. Ask Elon if it's finished. Yeah, if somebody knows Elon's Twitters, you know, send him a message over there and see what's he saying. TLI X Coinskid live soon. Yeah, soon on OnlyFans. Me, Coinskid, and Mikuji Crypto will do a live OnlyFans special edition for you guys. The most bullish live 2021. Yeah, definitely most bullish live. I don't know if it's most bullish live in 2021, but at least the second part of the 2021 most bullish live right now. I think it's good. I think it's good. Man, the feeling when you are all in stablecoins hoping for a dip that never comes. Yeah, I understand you, man. Been there, done that, and then FOMO'd in back later when the price starts pumping up. If everyone is saying the same thing, it probably not happen. Well, even that might actually give the wrong suggestion, because sometimes it actually does happen. Everybody hoping for down, and it actually goes down. But right now, I think I'm more bullish. I've been actually saying the 49,000 for a long time now. And I can show you this to you guys again. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. So you got the 10 moving average on the weekly, and when you're extended from the 10 moving average on the weekly chart, you gotta have some kind of move to the upside, right? So there is this indicator down here. It's a really nice indicator actually. Let's use this chart over here. It's a really nice indicator. Let's remove these lines. Let's move that. So there is a 10 moving average, right? And when you're extended from 10 moving average, you gotta pull back to the 10 moving average. So this indicator just showing you the extensions from the 10 moving average, and you can see here these kind of extensions that we are at right now, or was right now, only happened 4 times prior. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that happened in the first dump after the bull market. That happened in capitulation phase. It was a corona dump, and right now there is no way this is these kind of dumps on a weekly time frame are not sustainable. You cannot continue pushing the price down without having some kind of rally to the upside, and that's why I'm calling rally to the upside to the 10 moving average, not straight up, not necessarily straight up, you know, it can go a little bit sideways or whatever, but we will hit the 10 moving average eventually. So either this is gonna go sideways until the 10 moving average is hitting us, or we're gonna go right back up and hit the 10 moving average, because that's what actually happened all the previous time when we got extended from the 10 moving average. You get extended from 10 moving average, you go back, you get extended, you go sideways and hit the 10 moving average. Actually, we went a little bit up here and hit the 10 moving average. You go down, you go up and hit the 10 moving average. So when you get extensions, very important technical analysis, extensions, you go back to some kind of movement, because you cannot just drop down to 0 in one day. This isn't meme coins, this isn't a liquidity crisis, you know. Price moves after certain rules in technical analysis. You know, it's very hard to pump and dump Bitcoin, right? But we are overextended to the downside. We have to have some kind of pull to the upside, and that pull to the upside is coming now. I think this is actually confirmation that we are not breaking the downside. We've been sitting on this line down forever. How long will we be sitting here? 5, 6, today 7, maybe for 2 days or something like that. Like entire Sunday, we've been sitting entire Sunday, bloody Sunday. We're sitting entire Sunday on the support line, and we cannot break the support line. What's that? What's that? So I'm super bullish right now, guys. I'm super bullish. Tina, 20 bucks and no message. I appreciate the money. It goes to the iPhone to the wife. She'll soon get her present. Tina, thank you. I appreciate that. 20 bucks, always welcomed, you know. I'll probably go and, you know, that's nice. Thank you, thank you. If it crashes, it will bring that down. Yeah. No one will be satisfied until it dumps to the 30s or below, so it might need to happen so we can continue the upwards. No, it's really needed. Do you guys remember? Do you guys remember the dump, previous dump over here? Where is it? Let me go to the daily chart. Do you guys remember? Let me go to this chart over here. The previous dump, guys. The previous dump. Do you remember the previous dump? The dump over here. Do you remember this dump over here, guys? Everybody was calling, what's that? It went down to 47. I was calling something 45, 46,000, right? 45, 46,000, something like that. And a lot of people have been calling some kind of 40 numbers down here, right? And I said to people, but it was around 45,000. And we were having a live stream when that was happening. And I was saying, like, everybody's hoping for these numbers down here, right? So the probability that they never get hit is pretty huge, because when price starts falling down, everybody's waiting for this number. So people start to pre-buy, they start to get in earlier. So the price just doesn't have enough power to push the price all the way down where the target is gonna be, where all the buyers are actually waiting with the buy orders. Because you have to understand, whoever is manipulating the market, they know where the buy orders are lying, and they're pushing price just above those buy orders, continue up, and then all of these people start to FOMO in back into the price, and when everybody's FOMO'd in, then the price drops. Coinskid, bullish, yeah. The Indian Bogdanov version of Bogdanov, maybe. A lot of coins have been going sideways since February. Yeah, they have been going sideways. Because if you look at the altcoins and how they've been performing, they have been pumping a lot. And a lot of them went parabolic, and then they were just going sideways because, you know, either they are being, you know, like some kind of Wyckoff distribution phase going through that, and they have been just selling it off, all right? Because even altcoins, even institutional investors are even in the altcoins, guys. Wyckoff yeah, accumulation, in my opinion, that might be how we explained and left. Yeah, but it is funny, you know. And the same thing goes for right now. Everybody is waiting, because on the first drop everybody sold. On the second drop they thought like we're gonna go continue down, we didn't, and now again everybody's waiting. Okay, one more time to these levels, one more time. My buy orders are here, right? And then we are going through this period up here, and now the price starts going up, and all of these buy orders, everybody that they are hoping for these prices, just one more time, just a week, just to get me in. Nope, going up, and then everybody's like, okay, let's get back in, let's get back in, and then you FOMO back in, and that's how these things happen. Short-term BTC maybe 28k and then parabolic, brilliant after that. Long-term social trends suggest privacy coins will be extremely valuable. XMR are likely to become huge. Maybe. I'm not that good on fundamentals or what's gonna happen or what's good or not in the coins, but you know, technical analysis. Long-term technical analysis, next 20 years for Bitcoin, bullish. Do you think Ethereum will follow BTC exact, or will it be more bullish? I think Ethereum and BTC have to decouple from each other after a while. Yeah, you know, they are two totally different projects. One is, you know, one is gonna become a stable coin, and you know, the reserve currency of the world. The other one is gonna be Amazon. OnlyFans for sure. Mikuchi Crypto is in the chat. We got Mikuchi Crypto, we got Coinskid in the chat. Yeah, this is the best live ever. Thanks for the shoutouts and love, buddy. Okay, we're gonna give you another shoutout. There are 400 people here. So where is it? Okay, guys, go to the YouTube, Mikuchi, I think it's Mikuchi Crypto, something like that, and subscribe to this guy. Yeah, we are gonna do live stream on the OnlyFans with Mikuji Crypto and CoinSkid. Everybody knows CoinSkid, but this guy needs more recognition. So, you know, if you want to OnlyFans special edition, you know, you gotta be subscribed to all three guys, and then we're gonna send key to enter the OnlyFans, but key will be split in 3 parts, so you have to be subscribed to all of us three guys, and then we have to combine the key to enter the OnlyFans and enjoy the live stream. Mikuji Crypto in the house as well. Yeah, nice, nice. I subscribe to you, Mikuji, because of the letter. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, low. Any more questions about BTC, guys, before we round this out off? Threesome event. Yeah. Will you show skin? Of course, it's an OnlyFans. What do you think I'm doing OnlyFans for? Of course, we'll show skin. When is the live stream? Once we get enough subscribers, we're gonna pop the OnlyFans. Nothing about LTC, man. Nothing about LTC right now. Why privacy coins? Okay, guys, that's it. There are no more questions about BTC, so we're gonna round up there. Just remember, guys, that you know, anything can happen in crypto, and as long as we are not out of the triangle over here, as long as we are not out of the triangle, let me just zoom a little bit in. I know there is a lot of lines, and it looks very noisy. This looks like it's actually falling a little bit down again, so we're gonna see what happens. But as long as we are in the triangle, nothing is actually right now. If I can do this, nothing is actually set. As long as we are in the triangle, nothing is actually set. So I would like to see price get above 37,000 to become bullish. I'm thinking this might hold, but you know, you can always get the dump to the downside. But if we can manage to get above 37,000, I think probability to get up is a lot higher. So 37,000 is the actually right now the number that we actually need to get out. But if you can do that, if you can get about 37,000, I think it's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna be okay. Now, of course, always don't blame me if we go down, because I'm saying like we can go down, but 37,000 is the number. Got a temper TI with social trend analysis, the big picture combined social direction with tech analysis. Cryptos massively growing, the whales do not want their currency if tracked. Yeah, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin long term. And to end it all again, Patreon again, guys. If you want to learn tech analysis, we released technical analysis crash course just today, so if you want to join that, you know, you're welcome to join and start learning my way to the tech analysis. I mean, there are a lot of other ways to do tech analysis, you know, but you can learn my way and what I think about it. And I'll be posting a lot more content that's up there right now, so you know, you also get the special Telegram chat where you can actually ask questions and all that shebang. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. I hope everybody enjoyed yourself. I hope I made your day a little bit better. CoinSkid, thanks for joining the stream. Mikuji, thanks for joining the stream. I also join Mikuji's stream all the time. I'm not saying that much. By the way, Mikuji, I want to apologize if your feelings got hurt because my wife thinks you're chubby. I got a little stomach myself, but you know, we are guys, like we gotta take it, you know. But you know, I'm just trying to be nice. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. See you around, guys. Have a nice day. I'm gonna make some videos, and I'm gonna try to long the botox out of this chart. See you around, guys. See you around. Okay, where's my stop button?